Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya nawo wonke umuntu obukele le video. Bengisacela uma umusha kule channel ucofoze usubscribe ubutton ulike ushare ucomment uvule notification ukuze uhlezi unotified ngakho konke okwenzeka kule channel.
Capture, guys, it's this one that is happening now, the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, because of a lot of people like there's money. It's on the Commission of Inquiry. It was about Zuma and the Guptas. That's it. It's worse, guys. This one, it's worse. A lot of people are so implicated and they need to present the evidence. Yabo, la Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, and as well as the ad hoc committee. So, guys, last week, the ad hoc committee at Parliament, but presented Uti Natim Tedwa. He needs to come as a possible witness and present some evidence because of Nyakumbula ukuthi ube implicated lapha kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry ukuthi he told the general to stop the investigation and umkhwanazi wathi it was the worst political interference he had experienced with the former minister. Chiki today he's found unalive and after falling from 22 floor building lapha eFrance. Guys, niyakhumbula istory sa Gavin Watson. Guys, actually niyakhumbula ukuthi ngitheni in the beginning of the month yaka September or somewhere late in August ukuthi some of the people laba implicated ku Commission of Inquiry ba stage ukufa kwabo. Did I not say that? I will go and find a video for you. I said that with uGavin wenzani. uGavin was supposed to present like goes on the commission chiki says ukuthi bashona uyishonile. Same thing unathi. Guys, mina unathi ngiyokhola the day but nasi sidumbu saka nathi unathi nangulalele khona because days later from now we will be told ukuthi unathi the family they requested ukuthi crematiwe. We won't even see the body. Niya understand ukuthi ngithini like neza mungu understand ukuthi ngiyaphi. So and futhi lapha kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry kulama screenshot apresentwe ngumntunga okhumalo ukuthi kuyavela ukuthi the former minister of police uBhekicele he interfered with the arrest of yabantu laba ababulala uSindiso Magaca eKZN. And futhi umntunga uthi I am told that all the reports that were withheld by Bhekicele have been retrieved and handed over to Minister Senzo Mchunu. Niyayibona ukuthi this thing is a chain, guys. And futhi umntunga uyaveza ukuthi iIP nayo have been allegedly involved in the manipulation and misconduct like on this the whole process of handling ama cases and these syndicates ezenzwa this modus operandi. And futhi there's something, guys, he also mentioned ukuthi how does this whole modus operandi operate ukuthi these people they are involved kuma iziyobisi baya thumba abantu bathola amathenda if ever kuyenzeka ukuthi they want the cash flow to run in and then futhi they enforced ukuthi ba analyze abantu like the contract analyzing, you understand. And then futhi but if ever kuyenzeka ukuthi let's say I cash flow yabo iya dropa, these people banama security company, that's how ba handleisha or bakhona ukuthenga ngakhona imbhamu because of nina ngizocabanga ukuthi imbhamu ezithengwako zokusetshenziswa kuma security company but those guns they are actually not used for that particular reason. Zisebenziswa for ubutsotsi nokhunye ubulala abantu and then futhi babhoma nama ATM, all of those things. Like this thing, it's a whole modus operandi, you understand. And if you la Eastern Cape, there's a police officer that staged a robbery of 1.3 million at the later stage. That stage robbery it had police officers involved. Mina guys, to be honest, indaba kaNathi Mthethwa, I do not believe it at all ukuthi ushonile. Ngifuna ukubona ngesidumbu a corpse there like see ibox livuliwe abantu ba confirm ukuthi hayi vele nguye. And before ngikhohlwa guys, niyakhumbula uNathi kwazama ukuthenga iflag le 22 million 2021-2022. Niyakhumbula asikakhohlwa. And futhi the other thing evelile lapha kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry, there was this gala dinner. It was somewhere lapha eCape Town, So uBrown Mkhotsi uthenge 4 yama packages or 4 tickets for ama friend wakhe ku silver package. And niyabona that lady unompumelelo Marshall Zek lawyer. mele asamoniwe lapha ku-commission of inquiry or ku-ad hoc committee azopresent evidence ukuthi bobani abathenga amatafula on this gala dinner. Guys, kusho ukuthi this gala dinners ne, this gala dinners is not about ukuthi it's a gala dinner, it's a money laundering scheme the way ivela ngakhona manje. Because of i-money laundering scheme ngiyacabanga ukuthi soke siya understand ukuthi how is the money laundering works.